Hello friends, I hope you're having a good day today, and we are going to do round 45 of star hearts and pineapples. So to begin the round, as usual, we slip a stitch on the next stitch and into the next space, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and mark this chain 3 as the beginning stitch, and also count this as the beginning of the shell, the first TR of the shell. So then triple crochet into the same space, then chain 2, 1, 2, and 2 triple crochet on the same space. Then chain 2, 1, 2, and triple crochet on the next triple crochet, and do these instructions twice. So that's 1, 2, then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet on the next pineapple loop, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet on the next pineapple loop, then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and triple crochet on the next triple crochet, and do the instructions twice. So this is 1, 2, then chain 2, 1, 2, shell on next shell, so after the shell, chain 2, 1, 2, and make a V-stitch on the next TR by making 1 triple crochet on the next TR, chain 1, and 1 triple crochet on the same stitch. So the V is made. Chain 1, triple crochet on the next TR, do the instructions 3 times. So that's 1, chain 1, triple crochet on the next TR, that's 2, chain 1, triple crochet on the next TR, that's 3, and then make another V stitch on the next TR. So chain 1, V stitch on the next TR, so the fan is made, and there should be a total of 7 triple crochets on this fan. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then chain 2 and shell on next shell. mark this shell as the beginning shell of the repeating stitches. Then chain 2, 1, 2, and TR or next TR, repeat the instructions twice, so that's 1, 2. Then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet on the next pineapple loop. Then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet on the next pineapple loop. Then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and TR on next TR. Do the instructions twice, so this is 1, this is the second. Then chain 2, 1, 2, and shell on next shell. Then chain 2, 1, 2, and make a V stitch on the next TR. Chain 1 TR on the next TR, repeat the instructions 3 times. So this is 1, chain 1 TR on next TR, 2, chain 1 TR on next TR, this is 3, then chain 1 V stitch on the next TR, and the fan is made, so there should be 7 TRs total on this fan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then chain 2, 1, 2, and this is the end of the repeating stitches. So we mark this. So we will repeat from the shell after the fan and end it in the repeating stitches with a chain 2 after the next fan. And you repeat the repeating stitches all around. After the last 2 stitches or chain 2 of the round, then slip stitch on the beginning, on the 3rd chain of the beginning, chain 3, So that's how it round 45 ends. I thank you for watching, and we are getting close to finishing this pineapple design and starting another one, which is begun by this fan.